Monday, October 28th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. It's a kind of cool morning out there for this Monday morning. We've had some clouds roll in, though, the past several hours. And in North Carolina, temperatures have actually been climbing a bit over the past few hours with the arrival of those clouds. Up in Banner Elk, it's 44 degrees with a calm wind. Now, let's take a look back. Well, that was interesting. Let me see if I can correct that for you here. Stand by. All right, there we go. I wanted to show you the low temperatures back on Saturday morning. That was the coldest morning of this recent cold snap. And we had a lot of 20s for lows out across the Piedmont, even Fayetteville below freezing, Columbia sub-freezing, down into the teens in the mountains. Had some snow at times as we wrapped up the work week and headed into the weekend up in parts of the mountains. But then temperatures sort of slowly climbed through the weekend. We made it all the way up into the mid and upper 60s for much of the Piedmont, some low 70s closer to the coast. Boone yesterday for Sunday, the high at 59. And currently, again, it's cool, but it's not too bad out there. A lot of 40s on the board in many spots here this morning. Now, on the radar, we do have some clouds that have rolled on in across the region as a whole. And again, as those clouds have arrived, it has caused the temperatures to begin to climb just a bit. Some rain down into northeast Georgia, moving into the upstate of South Carolina. This is being triggered by a little disturbance centered right about there, kind of riding up Interstate 85. Now, the air mass is very dry up here across most of North Carolina, so a lot of that rain is going to have a tough time holding itself together as it pushes on in, but nonetheless, a few showers are going to be a possibility as today unfolds. Now, most of the action is out west. Big upper air low over Northern California, Nevada, and the parts of the Pacific Northwest as a whole. That's what it looks like on the modeling of the GFS model. And that will gradually be moving to the east in our general direction. Now, the first little piece of that trough swings through Thursday night into Friday, and then we see a trough dig into the eastern parts of the country as we get toward Sunday and Monday. And that'll bring a pretty decent shot of some chilly air again during that time period. Now, again, a little upper level disturbance moving through today. A lot of clouds, a few showers. Nothing terribly significant. That next storm system that arrives for Thursday, late in the day and Friday, there it goes tomorrow in the Plain States. And again, that eventually will get here. This is what it looks like by mid-afternoon on Thursday on the GFS model. Now, of course, Thursday is Halloween. And for the trick-or-treaters, it's going to be a close call here in the Carolinas. We might be able to hold the showers off until Thursday night and Friday once we get past the trick-or-treating time frame, but it's going to be close, and so we're just going to have to keep refining that forecast as we move forward. And just to show you, this will change, but this is the rain totals. The GFS is printing out across the southeast with that Thursday-Friday storm system. Now, on to some of the more specific modeling. This is our upper air chart on the European model for today. And again, there's that next storm system taking shape out west. We go out to 84 hours. This is Thursday morning. That trough moving out across the Plain States. And then finally, by 144 hours, you're looking at a big trough that has taken hold across the eastern part of the country. Transient in nature, but enough to deliver another pretty decent shot of some chilly air for early next week, Sunday and Monday. So this is Thursday. This is the precipitation and Thursday morning until about early afternoon. Then we get out to Thursday evening. So this would be the trick-or-treating time frame. And so it's going to be a close call. And then that storm system, the cold front, finally works its way on through Friday. And you notice Friday night, another little shot of some snow being indicated on the European model up in the mountains Friday night into Saturday morning. Now, with the Thursday system, the GFS timing is a little quicker. And so the GFS wants to bring some of that rain in during the evening hours Thursday. So we're going to have to continue to refine that forecast as we move forward. Okay, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.